everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene and today I'm going to be reviewing my BoxyCharm unboxing for July of 2024. Let's go ahead and get right into this. So this is my birthday month BoxyCharm Ipsy box. I am super excited about this. I did get some really nice things in here and I have tried some of them out because I did get them while I was on vacation, and so I wasn't able to do a video when I first got back. So now I'm finally getting the chance to do this, but let's go and get right into this. So like I said, I already did open it. The first thing that I got is this right here, which is by Laura Geller, and it is like a cream, what does it say? Made to multitask eye, lip, cheek palette, think pink it says. So I have already opened this, that's why it's open, and I did try it out. I really do like this. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I actually did go on to Laura Geller's website and I bought like a foundation, like powder foundations and stuff that I do want to review on my channel. So that is on its way, but it has tropical coral, subtly pink, and rose gold. So that right there is what the colors look like. Let me go ahead and swatch some of them so you can see. You have that, and that. So that's the colors that you're working with. I would say Think Pink is a good name for this. So right there, the rose gold is this, and then this is the tropical coral. I think that it's like backwards because that looks like it'd be rose gold, that looks like it'd be tropical coral, and then the pink one in the middle. So these are like a blush. I am wearing like a little bit of a blush right now, which I'm going to be putting on another one. But so if you wanted to, you could just kind of go in there just to get a little more pink and just kind of dab it. You can see it's just going to be like really subtle. Just give you a little bit more pink. So very nice, very creamy. Definitely doesn't give like a ton of color. It's just a little bit. So you can build it, but it's just going to give you a little, just like an easy makeup look, just like that. But it does say you can use this for your lips and stuff as well. I tried on my lips. It did not look good. Even, I don't really like pinks on my lips, but even like with this one, to me, it's just, it's not a good color for me. So you can see it added a little bit of color, but not my cup of tea for personally me. So I did get this. Next thing that I got in the box, let me go ahead and put this sponge down, is this right here, which I did open as well. And it says, "This time CL Cheeky Flush." And it is by that brand right there, which is Cinta London. And I have already tried this out as well. I really, really do like this shade. This is what it looks like. It kind of reminds me of the, what is that? So it kind of reminds me of like the ColourPop, like the spongy eyeshadows that they had. Oh, I'm kind of going over another color. So it has like kind of a wet, dry feel. I'm going to put it right here. I don't know. The texture is like really hard to describe. It feels like a powder, yet it feels like a cream at the same time. But the color to this is stunning. So I like to just grab a little bit. And then let me go ahead and push this back up so I can see. Like this is a way prettier color for me. I'm getting a lot of blush on my cheeks right now. So you can see. Like, it's just a really pretty shade, and the texture is just so bizarre. It's like, really, that's the only way I can describe it. It's like bizarre. But definitely a really pretty color. I think a lot more people are going to really like this. The color is This Time, and I think this time they nailed this color because it is so pretty. So I did get that as well. Next thing that's in the box is this right here. And I did try this out as well. I wasn't that big of a fan, to be honest with you. And it is by Tula, and it is Skincare Radiant Skin Brightening Serum Skin tint, sunscreen, broad spectrum is SPF 30. And I got the shade 07. And it's really sheer. So if you don't feel like wearing makeup and you're going to be outside, I would say, like, it's not going to be bad for you to use this, but it's not going to give you any coverage. Like, this is such a sheer coverage that it's not really even going to get rid of any of the redness or anything. It's pretty much just like a slightly tinted SPF. So I'm going to put some right here, like a dot like this. The packaging is really cute to it. If it had like a little more coverage, I would absolutely love this. But I do like when I was on vacation, I was wearing a lot of this kind of products. You can see. So it's going to give you like a glow, but really no coverage. So you can kind of see, if anything, it kind of gave like a whitish overcast. So it's not like it looks bad. Like, it'll give you a little bit of a glow, but like I said, no coverage whatsoever. It's just going to really help. It's really good for your skin, but it's not really going to help you like feel like you're enhancing your skin in any way, other than it's going to give it like a slight kind of white overcast glow, which I'm assuming is like the SPF, because sometimes it does give like that white overcast, and that's exactly what it's doing. I will use this on days that I'm not wearing makeup and I'm going to be outside, because I do like this, especially now that I'm 38. I'm trying to take really good care of my skin. I've been taking care of my skin since I was in my 20s, because I do want to kind of preserve my skin the best that I can. One thing that I can say that I've noticed with the last, like, I would say 2 years, is my pores have been getting really bad. So I can tell that I'm aging in that way. Wrinkles, I don't think I'm doing too bad. I have like a couple right here, like on my forehead, like when I go like that. Not too bad right now. Other than that, I just have like a slight line right here when I smile. Nothing really too bad. And I think a lot, I don't like my skin, the way my face looks right now, but I gained weight. So I was 123, I'm 155 right now. So I do need to lose a lot of weight, which it's so hard to do. I have 4 kids, my husband, and we're always on the go. So I end up grabbing fast food, and that's why I've gained the weight that I've gained back. But I'm going to try to make healthier decisions. I need to start doing that, because I need to get back on my like healthy wagon. Okay, let's go ahead and see what I got next in the box. I got this right here, which I absolutely love. This is a perfume. It's called Juliet Has a Gun. It says not a perfume. It's supposed to be, I forgot what it's called. So it says Juliet Has a Gun, but it's not a perfume, but it is kind of like a perfume. It's supposed to match your body scent. This stuff smells amazing. My friend had got a sample from Ipsy like maybe last year, and I smelled it on her, and it smelled so good. It has like a very sweet, like refreshing, like almost like a soothing scent. This stuff is amazing. It is really pricey, because I went to get some at Sephora, and I ended up getting the Coco Chanel Lady Mademoiselle instead, and my husband hates that. This one smells way better. Like I said, it's not a perfume, although it is like a body scent, because it'll tell you it's not a perfume, but it is in the same way. I don't know what you would call it if it's not a perfume, but it is amazing. Like, if you have not smelled this, I highly recommend you going to Sephora and giving this a smell. This is something that I'd wear for like date nights, or anytime that I just want to smell extra yummy. It's really good. And my husband is very picky. Like the Coco Chanel Lady Mademoiselle, he thinks smells like an old lady. Like, I almost have a full bottle, because every time I wear it, which I like the smell to that, but he hates the smell. He does like this one though. So I'll definitely wear this one. It is a must try in your lifetime. If you have not tried it, I highly recommend this, because it smells delicious, and I will be using all of that. So I'm just going to put this, I'm going to probably keep this in my purse. This is a travel size. They do have like a regular perfume size that you can buy It is expensive, but it's so good. Next thing that's in the box is this right here. What is this? So the next thing is this right here. It is by this brand, and it is an overnight face serum. I actually just used some eye cream from this brand. I've been trying to be better on my skincare. This is what it looks like. I'm not going to open this right now because I have a couple other serums that I'm using, but let me go ahead and show you the eye cream that I got with it. Yeah, I knew it was the same brand. So I actually used this the other day, and I do like this. I think I got in another BoxyCharm. So now I have this. So I'm going to keep these, and let me see if it has a smell or anything. I'm not going to use it right now because I am using some other ones, but I'm going to just start drenching my face in serums and stuff. It's just very clean. Just like a very fresh smell, like almost like a light soap or something. So I will be using this. I get so much skincare with BoxyCharm and stuff. It's to the point where you could literally just drench your skin in all these expensive skincares and stuff, because you get new skincare pretty much every month with BoxyCharm. So it's amazing, and they're all full size, so you could really take care of your skin using this. And I've actually found some gems since having this subscription, so I highly recommend it. I'm going to put that to the side because I'm going to keep those together, and when I run out of the ones that I'm using, which I'm still using the peppercone one right now, and I'm almost out, so I'll be switching to this. So the last thing that I got is this right here, I believe. I did get this as well, and this is Pure Nova Liquid Eyeliner. I do have a little bit left over because I wore some yesterday. Like I said, I already opened this, and it is like a liquid eyeliner in a brown color. Now, I do find that it does like kind of bleed out into your lines. Like it's one of the ones that when you put it on, it kind of spreads into cracks. So if you have older skin, you're not going to like this because it will bleed out. I just put it like barely on, just like at the very base of my lashes, like that, just to give a little bit of definition, but nothing crazy. That's pretty much how I use it. Because it does have the pin. Oop, I kind of hit the top. It makes it easier to kind of keep it at the base of your lashes. But like I said, it does kind of like bleed out. I noticed that yesterday. So it's great because you can, like, just like I said, get it right on the lash line, which is amazing. Let me go ahead and see the total of this month's value that I received real quick. Okay, so the total value of this month's box was $201 plus one add-on. I forgot that I did buy the perfume separately. It was an add-on that you can get like before you check out, like after you choose the items you want, they have add-ons. I did add this on. I forgot that I did that because I think that it was like, around $12 for this, which is not bad at all. So I went ahead and added that because the box is pretty good. Like everything that I received, everything I will be using in this month's box. Usually that's the way it is. I don't have a lot of complaints. I do gift a lot of things to like my sisters and my mom, like when I see them, or friends and stuff, because I do get a lot of stuff and I can't use everything, especially when it comes to skincare. But I've been trying to like be a lot better, especially now that I'm aging. I don't want to accept it, but I am. But yeah, this is a great subscription box if you're wanting to get into makeup or you want to start taking care of your skin. So this is a really great box because you get 5 full-size skincare products or makeup products every single month for a fraction of the price. And it just helps you stay like stocked up on makeup and skincare as well. And then with the add-ons and stuff, they do have like high-end foundations. One of the things that I got a couple months ago that I absolutely love is like this Anastasia Beverly Hills contour stick. Absolutely love this. This is something that I would have paid full price for, but I got it for way less buying it on the pop-ups. But they do have foundations and stuff. Like I said, I love this. Not willing to spend the money for a full size, but they did have it in their little add-on, so I did add that on. Really great. Definitely, if you want to start getting into skincare or makeup, I highly recommend this. And I do put a link down in the description box below. If you guys do want to check it out, go ahead and do that, and see what you guys think. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.